My name is Kaseem. If you're new, welcome. If you're not new, welcome back. Welcome to the $1 Million Challenge. This is the channel where we trying to get our money up to our first $1 million by any means necessary, the legal way, of course. On this channel we do dividend investing, day trading, selling covered calls and selling covered puts, and just every single way that we can get our money up, we do that on this channel. So in today's video we are going to talk about Tesla. I always like to do this every week where I show you guys an update on my Tesla portfolio, well, my Tesla holdings in my portfolio, because I really do believe in Tesla as a company. I think Tesla is a generational company, and what I'm doing here is I'm running a little experiment where I invest $20 a day because I believe in the company. I know what the company does. I research a lot into the company. So I currently can spare $20 a day. That's $100 a week, and that is roughly about $400 a month. So that's what I can spare to invest into Tesla stock. So I run an experiment where I put in that $20 every day, and I share with you here on the channel the results of that amount of money that I'm investing into Tesla stock. So if you like this kind of content, please subscribe to the channel. Check out some of my other videos. I have a ton of videos teaching how to day trade, how to do. I'm going to be doing more videos on how to sell covered cash secured puts and covered calls. I'm going to be doing more of those videos as well. And I do my weekly update where I share with you my current dividend and growth investing portfolio, where I show you how much I make in dividend income and how that is helping funding my portfolio. So without taking too long, let's get right into it, and I'll show you my Tesla holdings and show you what the performance has been in the past week or so. And I'll also show you some of the latest news on Tesla, because Tesla is being added to the S&P 500. If you don't know, the S&P 500 is a prestigious index. That's basically the index that a lot of funds trying to benchmark the index to. So Tesla is being added to it, and it's a ton of money from very, very rich Wall Street people. They need to buy Tesla stock. So that means the stock is going to go up a lot. So I'm going to show you some of that. So without taking too long, let's get right into it. I'm going to show you what my Tesla portfolio is looking like for this week. So let's get right into it. So this week has been a great week for the portfolio. Let me start with my current holdings. I have roughly about 9.9 shares, almost 10 shares. We're gonna get there soon. My average price for each of those is $30, and the current price for Tesla stock is $594. So I have a profit of about $200 on each share. So that is great. So this is the current gains on the stock. I've gained $2,730, $2,730 in profit. So for the week here, I've put in a total of $270. This week I put it a little bit more because, you know, I just had extra cash to put in, so I put in a little bit more. One thing that you have to know about me as a Tesla investor is, no matter the price today, I'm buying the stock. No matter what the price is today, I'm buying the stock, because I'm not buying it for today. I'm buying it for like 15 years from now, because I know no matter what, Tesla as a company 15 years from now, first of all, they're going to be worth a lot more than what they're worth right now. Second of all, they are going to be building and expanding even more then. From where they are right now, they basically have like 3 factories, and they're working on 2 more factories, right? So with that coming up all throughout the next 2 years, they're coming out with a $25,000 car. So many good things happening for this company. for that reason, I'm always buying the stock. No matter the price for me, I'm always buying the stock. So I just wanted to tell you guys that, get that out of the way. So I purchased $270 worth of stock this week, and so far this week I've gained $75. So let's see today the transaction went through 190. I purchased 190. I gained $7.16 today, and in 1 week, as you can see, 270 that I purchased, I've gained $82. And then let's see, for the month I purchased $637. That's the amount of money that I paid, that I purchased shares of Tesla stock. So roughly about 1.1 shares this week. But yeah, I purchased $637 for this month. So this month we've seen a huge gain in Tesla stock, huge, $1,600 this month alone. Look at the money that I put in, look at the money that I've gained this month alone. It's been crazy. Because of the S&P 500 inclusion, the stock has just been on a tear. So it's been great. This is what the portfolio is currently looking like. This is what we're looking like right now. $2,700 in profit, a total gain of 225%. 225% that I was able to capture this year. And mind you, Tesla has grown this year. Let me show you guys. If you look at 1 year chart here, Tesla has grown 782% growth. 782% growth. So can you imagine if you have like $100,000 in the stock? Your $100,000 would have been ridiculous. You would have doubled your money. So you would have doubled your money crazy amount of time. So for me, Tesla stock is key. It's like the foundation to my portfolio. It's the foundation to the growth of the portfolio in general. Like you guys know, I do dividend investing as well. This whole portfolio, this is just what you're watching right here, is just one section of the portfolio. I do dividend investing, and this stock right here is like the foundation of my portfolio. It's the foundation, and then I start building the house on the foundation. So that is that. Let me show you some of the breakdown of the transaction so you can see that, look, this is a regular person just like you that is doing this stuff. You know, I'm not from Wall Street. I'm not, you know, I just invest my own money using my brain, doing my research, and invest money. And then once I see that, okay, that has value, I put it out there on my YouTube. I put it out there in the world so you can see it. You can see what someone like you is doing with their money. So maybe it would inspire. You know, I sure don't give you financial advice. I'm not telling you to invest in Tesla stock because I cannot. Legally, I'm not allowed to tell anybody where to put their own money. That's your money. You work for it, so you have to put it where you want to put it. But Tesla stock for me personally is always a buy. So let me show you guys the transaction. So I'm going to also link a couple of a playlist to this playlist. This video that you're watching is part of a playlist. I started it a couple of weeks ago where I started showing you guys how I got started with Tesla stock and what made me start taking investing in Tesla a little bit more serious. You know, I do this because this is something that it's doable for everybody. If you're living in the United States, even if you work at Walmart, you know, you can afford to put $20 away into an investment. And I've chose, you know, I have multiple investments, not just only Tesla, like you see from my dividend investing videos, but my main one that I choose to like focus on and put a lot more resources in on a daily basis is Tesla. So as you guys can see here, $20, $40 when I have extra, $50 when I have extra. But I have that bedrock foundation that no matter what, every day I'll put in $20 into Tesla stock. Some days I'll put in more, some days I'll put in less. When I have more, I put more. When I have less, I put less. But I still average that $20 that I put in on a regular basis. So if you like this video, if you like what I do here, consider subscribing to the channel, because I'm a new YouTuber. I love doing this stuff. I cannot wait to do this full time so I can bring in more content, especially when it comes to Tesla, because there's a lot of fake news in the media about Tesla which don't make sense. Like, it seems like a lot of people on Wall Street, they want this company to fail, and the company is doing such a great job for the world that it presents a generational opportunity for smart people, smart investors, to invest in a company like this, where you have the chance to 10x your money, 20x your money. That's what I'm doing. And as you guys can see, it's worked quite well for me. So I'm gonna be doing a lot more Tesla videos like this. So I'm to show you guys the real reality of what it's like to actually invest, in a generational company like this. And I've chose to do it in a way that I just put in little money that most people can afford, and I share with the world so people can see that this is something that is actually doable. So let's get into some news on Tesla stock. So with the platform that I use, obviously the news is usually right at the bottom here. We're gonna go into more details, but here are some of the news, interesting news. Goldman Sachs basically raised the price target for Tesla. So Goldman Sachs is like the Wall Street analyst company, and they raised the stock price for Tesla here. This is $780. That's what they're targeting, and the current price is currently at $593, and they're targeting $780. So that is huge, right? There's some short sellers, they getting burnt, obviously, because the stock is going up. This right here, the media is actually getting it wrong. Like, put it this way, like for example, right here, they're predicting that Tesla stock is going to be $780. Whenever Wall Street predicts something about Tesla, you have to times it by 2. If they're predicting $780, times it by 2. In my head, that's what I think, because Wall Street is always wrong when it comes to Tesla. They are always wrong when it comes to predicting Tesla stock. So if Goldman Sachs is saying they believe that the stock will be at $780, in my head I'm thinking, nah, this stock is going, it will be like $1,800, because they always wrong. They always wrong. So here's an article about how Tesla shorts, basically shorts, for those of you that you don't know, if you're watching this channel for the first time and you don't know, you can, when you buy a stock, you're betting that the stock will go up. That's the whole point why you're buying the stock. So the opposite of that is when you sell the stock or you short the stock, you believe that the stock will go down. So because the stock price has gone up so much, in the past year, look at that, like 558%. That's how much the stock has gone up by this year. So the people that were betting that the stock would go down, they have lost a lot of money. And this is just an interesting article. I thought, let me point this to you guys. I'm gonna leave it in the links below if you want to read it. I'm gonna leave it in the links below. So the other big news that I also want to point out to you guys is this article right here. It talks about how, because Tesla is being added into the S&P 500, right? Because Tesla is being added into the index, they give you the breakdown of how things are. I've highlighted this part right here. $72.7 billion, billion United States dollars, cash money, that needs to go into Tesla stock. That amount of money needs to be spent to buy Tesla stock. $72.7 billion. Okay, like I want that to sink in. Like let it sink in. That's a lot, and they have to spend this money by December 21st. So Tesla stock price is still going up. We don't know how high it's going to get, but mostly the stock price is still going up in the future, because 72, almost 73 billion dollars. That is a hell of a lot of money that needs to go into the stock. So listen, I'm not gonna be shorting the stock. You know, I don't urge anybody to short the stock, because you're gonna lose out a ton. So I just thought, let me highlight that. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So if you've watched the video to this point, I appreciate you. You're the real MVP. Consider liking the video if you like what I do here. If you find value in what I'm doing, consider giving the video a like. Appreciate you. Consider subscribing to the channel if you like what I do. I'm trying to bring investing to your everyday regular person, someone that works at Walmart, someone that works at Dunkin' Donuts or something. Like, I'm trying to bring investing to your everyday regular person, because it's very important that we all start exposing ourselves to the markets, because we have apps like Robinhood, M1 Finance, all these apps. They've made investing accessible to everybody. You know, if the stock is $500, like Tesla stock, it's $500. I'm personally investing $20 every day into the stock. You know, I believe anybody that lives in the United States should be able to do this. So I'm just putting my stuff out there as an example, so you can see as research that, oh, this is actually doable. You know, that's exactly why I'm doing this. So thank you for watching. I appreciate you for watching. You're the real MVP. Like, subscribe. Until next time, see you later. Bye.